All right, you ready to do this unboxing for the Birdie Box Bird Toys order that we have? Molly's ready. Got Eddie in the background there. He wants to know too. Woo! One toy. I love this one. I ordered this one. You attach it to the side of the cage. Come here. You want to see toys? Timmy's watching too. Look how beautiful this toy is. So all of the birds here at Texas Parrot Rescue have a home environment. We do have a bird building. We bring in about 3 to 5 birds at a time. This is like so my favorite. Thanks for watching, guys.